Hey, Murray here. Welcome to the article on how to customize your course all trainings page. And what is an all trainings page? That's basically the page in your course that the students can come to and view all of the trainings that are currently available or that will be available in the future. So it's a great kind of page where they can see the roadmap that you have laid out for them. So it's a useful page to be able to display all that info. And here's how you customize it. So we have a beautiful new page builder environment in Experienceify, and the way that you get access to the page builder environment is to come down here. Well, first of all, click on the course that you want to edit. So in this video, I'm going to edit lead magnet challenge, and then once you've opened the course and come down to customize course pages and click on the big green button here, customize your course pages. This is going to open the page builder in your browser, and that's going to be where you do all the customization for this page and for all of the pages in your course. You can see all the pages in your course that are listed in this sidebar. So the first thing you want to do is click on a page to open it. So let's click on all trainings, which is the subject of today's video. And what you can see here is this is an example of what the student will see when they land on this page. So they access it through this all trainings link in the top navigation. And I've set up this navigation to be this way on every page of my course. So I've got my home, all trainings account, and my courses. So I always want my students to have access to the all trainings page in my course so they can see what just the layout of all of the trainings in the course. Okay, so what we have here is on this page is as I just explained. Then we have a headline block, and what we have underneath that is a block that shows all of the trainings in the course. And in this particular mini course, it's a 5-day challenge. So there's only 5 trainings here available in this course. And the thing I want to point out about this page builder is that it's constructed of blocks, and you can see as I hover my mouse over all the content here in this page, you can see the green outline will change depending on where the mouse is. And that's because each one of these is what we call a block, and they're little pieces of content that we stack one on top of the other to create an entire page. Okay, so every page on the internet is built like this. It's basically one block on another. And if you want to edit anything in any of these blocks, it's really, really easy. You just want to come up here to the edit button, and then you can click it, and then we'll show you a pop-up here, and then all of the customizable stuff for that block will be here in the left sidebar. So you can see here that I edited the navigation bar, and you can see all the navigation items here in this left sidebar. Okay, so close, come down here to the headline block here and edit, and you can see all of the text that we have in this block. It's all on the sidebar, so you can just type in, customize it however you want, and it's going to look beautiful. So if you see a field with nothing in the field, and that just means that it's being hidden right now, you can actually put something in there. Welcome to the challenge. So you can see I've got some more text now. I'm going to leave it the way it was. If you want to customize any colors, you can see the color swatches there on the right. We've got the images here. You can upload new images. We've got paddings for the top and the bottom, above and below the block. And underneath this block, we have the all training, or the training data for this course. So if I click edit, what we have here is the config options for this block. And right now, I've got the content to show in this block or this box set to specific modules trainings only. So the most common data module that you will be using is show all trainings. Okay, so that's how you can show all the trainings in your course, and that is what the all trainings page is for. So let's say that I had a different course that I was editing. Let's say that I was in a course that had more trainings, like this one, for example. I'm going to show you what this one looks like in the all trainings page. It's a little more there's a bit more data to display because there is probably 60 or 70 different trainings split up into 5 modules in this course that I'm going to be editing right now. So I'm going to click on all trainings. So you can see here that we've got a lot more data here on this page. So a lot more trainings. So if I click edit, edit, you'll see that the content to show in this box is set to show all trainings, but grouped by module. So that's why you can see here that all the trainings are nicely grouped by the module that they're in. You can change this to be different formats if you want. So let's go to show all trainings. That's going to just show all of the trainings in one big block of data. Okay, that's not really what you want to do. If you have a lot of trainings, you want to use the grouped by module option, and that's going to group them more neatly. And these fields down here are how we decide what to display up here in the headlines, and also in underneath each image here. So wherever you see a little bracket, curly bracket on left and right, that means it is a token. And a token is a variable that we will replace with real data when the student sees it. So let's say the student was seeing this page, they're going to see the name of the module and the names of the trainings and all of that stuff. So that's how we do it with these tokens. So module name is replaced with module 1 hyphen your profitable product idea. So that's how we populate the module name with information from your course data here in the app backend. So you can see here it says module 1, your profitable product idea. We took this this text, boom, from over here in the back end here in the app. So you don't have to type all this stuff in over and over. You can just use these tokens to pull in data from the database. And you can access the tokens with the / button on the keyboard, and that's going to give you access to all the different tokens at your disposal. So if you ever want to put in more tokens or see what tokens you have, we've got more than just module name, module description. We've got lots of different tokens that you can put in, up to and including the student's own data. So for example, if I wanted to customize the top of the page here with the student's first name, I could do that very easily. So I could say welcome / tokens first name. So you can see here it says welcome first name. With the token here, that's going to replace this first name text with the first name of the student. Okay, so I hope that makes sense and gives you an idea of the power of the tokens if you want to use them in your course. Okay, so after we've gotten through all of the training data, then I've got, let me see underneath here, a footer here that we have that I've created for this particular course. And once I created the footer that I liked, I clicked on the Save to Library button, and that one has saved to the library. So I've just basically dragged that one onto every page. So every page has the same footer here, as you see right there. Okay, so that is how you customize the All Trainings page. It is incredibly powerful, especially if you look at the data block that I just showed you here by using the content to show in this box setting. You can show some different layouts of data. And if you wanted to add on more text or more blocks onto this page, it's really easy. Just come over here to where you see available blocks, and you can hover, or when you hover over these little items here, these are block categories. So you can see here as I hover, right now it's showing me all the blocks in the header category for the blocks. So if I were to drag on one of these other blocks here, then you can see that I'm able to just throw on to the page new blocks that I can customize in any way that I like. So if I have a need to display some more data or some more info on this page than it's currently showing, I can just come over here to, for example, text and images, and I can throw on, boom, a new block. So if I wanted to have an advertisement or some sort of special offer or something else that I wanted them to go and do after they've viewed this page, I can throw that block on, I can customize the text, and then I can customize the button, where the button goes within the course or outside of the course. The sky's the limit in terms of the customization abilities that you have. So have a look through these block categories. We have quite a lot available, and really the sky's the limit in terms of the creativity that you can apply to your all trainings page. Hope this was helpful. Let us know in the chat widget here if you have any questions. We're here to help. We can answer them fairly quickly for you. And I hope this has been useful. Okay, great. Bye.